Two powerhouse project management tools, but only one can truly streamline your workflow. Which one really delivers? On the left, the versatile, feature-packed ClickUp, and on the right, the user-friendly, collaborative Freedcamp. We're putting them head-to-head in real scenarios that matter: task management, customization, ease of use, pricing, and more. Let's skip the marketing promises and see how they actually perform. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll get a clear winner. The outcome might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Before we get our hands dirty, here's a quick map of what we're comparing: price, features, integrations, usability, mobile experience, and, of course, how these two handle collaboration. Got all that? Okay, let's jump in. First up, price. And let me tell you, Freedcamp definitely makes a splash with its free plan. Seriously, if you love not paying for stuff as most of us do, it's hard to ignore. Their paid tiers don't break the bank either. ClickUp, on the other hand, has a pretty generous free version. You get a lot without coughing up cash, but, and here's the kicker, things can get a little expensive once your team grows. So while both are nice for the budget conscious, Freedcamp just edges ahead here if you're looking to spend as little as possible. Next, features. And wow, this is where ClickUp really flexes. You want Kanban? Got it? Gantt charts? Yep. Docs, goals, time tracking? Heck, you can automate half your to-do list if you want. But I'll be honest, it's a lot. You might open ClickUp and just think, where do I even start? Freedcamp is much more stripped back. You get all the basics, tasks, calendar, simple integrations, but if you need advanced stuff, it's just not there. So if you love features, ClickUp's definitely your playground. Move into integrations. So, do you want your project manager talking to every other tool you use? ClickUp's your buddy for that. I mean, it links up with Slack, Google Drive, GitHub, the whole crew. Some of those do require a paid plan though. Freecamp's got the essentials like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Zapier, so you aren't totally left out. But it just doesn't stack up if you need deep integration. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. Freecamp actually started out back in 2010 as a totally free alternative to Basecamp. Look at them go, still holding on to those roots. Usability time, and I have thoughts. ClickUp is super customizable, which sounds awesome, right? But all that power means when you first log in, you could be slightly overwhelmed. Like, where does everything go? Now, Freecamp, that's a totally different story. The UI is basic, but super easy to pick up, and you won't need a PhD just to assign a task. If you just want to get started and chill, Freecamp wins the mood here. Alright, let's talk mobile. Both have solid apps and, I mean, they actually work, which is great. ClickUp is packed with features, but people have reported some sync bugs now and then. Freecamp, clean and simple with great support, but you'll notice not everything from desktop makes it over. Still, both are neck and neck, so it's pretty much a tie. Time for the big C collaboration. ClickUp's got comments, in-app chat, docs, even the ability to assign comments, which is honestly pretty genius if you constantly forget who's on what. But heads up, the notifications can get wild and a little spammy if you're not careful. Freecamp's vibe is more simple, threads, email integration, mostly what you need. But compared to ClickUp, you miss out on those really fine permission controls. Alright, let's pause and check out the head-to-head on our radar chart, because you know visuals just make it all click. You can see how each one stacks up across those categories we just talked about. Okay, if you like to tinker, automate, and want like every PM feature under the sun, ClickUp is probably your jam. But honestly, for smaller teams, solo freelancers, or anyone who just wants something budget-friendly that works, Freecamp is super hard to beat. ClickUp gets the overall win, but both have their own vibe. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more totally honest, sometimes brutally honest software comparisons. We've got more coming your way, so don't miss out.